Welcome to the Ink of Our Blood, the journey of the Keene brothers, tracing their lives from 1857 to 1900. The story begins in Chelsea, 1857 to 1860, where the Keene brothers were born into the world of their father, James Keene, and the smell of leather. In 1865, tragedy struck with the death of James Keene, leaving a heavy silence in the house for the mother and her young sons. By 1870, there was a shift in the air. Anne Louisa married William McCarty, an artist and architect, replacing the smell of leather with cedarwood. From 1871 to 1875, the brothers lived a creative life, full of art, intersecting the Irish McCarty line with the London Hall line. On the 7th of January 1876, the Chelsea world dissolved with the passing of their mother, Anne Louisa McCarty. The draftsmen's tables went quiet. Later in 1876, the brothers migrated to Mayfair, moving from the watercolor world of Chelsea to the steel engraving of their grandfather's home. From 1877 to 1880, they found sanctuary as apprentices in the printer's workshop, breathing in the rhythm of the press and the smell of linseed oil. By 1881, the brothers established themselves as clerks in the hall business, becoming the administrative spine, tallying wages among the ledgers. In 1885, they experienced the Mayfair Symphony, the thud-clack of the press below blending with the piano tuning of lodgers above, in a mixed commercial artisan corridor. By 1890, while cousins scattered across the globe, the Keene brothers held the center, connected by a web of correspondence. In 1897, the brothers solidified control of the business, becoming keepers of the legacy. The tragedy of their youth was buried beneath the success of their trade. From the fog of Chelsea to the ink of Mayfair, the Keene brothers found their anchor in the ink of their blood at Hall & Sons Engravers.